We are here at the Puma store at the Boulevard Mall. Wow, look, the buttons have the Puma logo on them.
Sorry, the floor selected is a restricted floor.
Wow.
Second floor. Going down.
That is how Mitsubishi is supposed to run.
Look, it's got the yes and no down there. There's the camera.
First floor.
I guess we're stopping at M. Huh.
It has to have a floor selected too. It can't just be one floor.
Second floor. Going down.
Oh, M just lit up. This thing has a little
I did
bit
that.
of. Oh.
It is glitchy though.
Wow. Very nice.
First floor. Going up.
One more right?
No.
Oh, look at that.
Damn, even the door track has the logo. That'll be it.